Hello beautifuls, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm doing super great. I'm Radhika. In today's live show, I'm here with one lovely collection that is fancy work sarees. It's like a mix of collections. We are going to showcase Georgette sarees with floral print, also tissue sarees with Meenakari booties, and work sarees, fancy work sarees like this, which I have draped now. So this collection, 30% of discount is available. Don't miss, my dear beautifuls. Kalamandir introduced easy online shopping process. In the description, you will be providing with all these saree links. Just click on your favorite saree code. It will direct your website. From there, you can shop very, very easily. And number 2, while I'm showcasing the sarees, just take screenshot of your favorite saree along with the code and share it on the number 9852985299. All over India, shipping is free. Let's begin our show. Let me talk about the beautiful saree which I have draped now, which is in a pista green color exactly, looking so photogenic. All over body, we got a beautiful embroidery design. It's a cross checks with chunky, and coming to the border, we got a beautiful shades on the border, embroidery border, and pallu it's same like sari, all over embroidery work. This sari paid up with a self blouse. All over on the blouse also we got the embroidery work. Let me showcase sari cost details. Sari code BA928, actual price 3050, offer price is 2140 only. So to purchase this lovely saree, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. And let me showcase one more beautiful color in this. Wow, very lovely and present pink color saree. All over body we got embroidery, cross checks with chunky works, and border we got embroidery work with different multiple thread colors, florals, and pallu same like sari. And let's check out the blouse. And for blouse also we got embroidery work. This is exactly the blouses. So it's a front and back cut with embroidery work. That is so beautiful. When you stitch it, it elevates so good. And let me showcase cost details of the saree. Saree code BA929, actual price 3050, offer price is 2140 only. So to purchase, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. Let me showcase one more lovely color in this pattern. And my dear beautifuls, while purchasing, if you are facing any issues, you can drop a message on our WhatsApp number 9852985299 number, so that our customer support team will get back to you and assist you to resolve all your issues. Moving on to the next saree. Wow, this is one pretty and different color, peach color. All over body embroidery, cross checks with chunky work. It's a perfect party saree. Border with multicolor thread weaving, embroidery work. Pallu it's same like sari with border. And let's check out the blouse. And this is the blouse exactly. We got a self color blouse on this beautiful front and back cut design, embroidery work. This is exactly the blouse. Let me showcase cost details of the saree. Saree code BA924, actual price 3050, offer price 2140. To purchase this lovely saree, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. Let me showcase another collection. So we are done with that embroidery work saree, and here is one more combination, and also the beautiful mix here. Yellow and teal blue color combination. It's a dark teal blue color combination. All over body we got lovely embroidery work, beautiful weaving, like horizontal lines with zari. Also we got the horizontal lines, and this is border contrast with floral zar. This is a Bhagalpur silk sari, and this is the pallu. Pallu same like sari. All over we got this thread work. And let's check out the blouse. It's contrast plain blouse along with the border. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code AX106, Actual price 3,150, 3,500. Offer price is 2,450 only. So to purchase, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. So this is a soft Bhagalpur sari. Till now we have showcased work saris with a beautiful color combinations, perfect party saris, and now I have showcased you one classical classical collection, that is Bhagalpur silk sari. And let me showcase another work sari with different pattern. Wow, perfect rust color sari. All over we got a single shade. This is matka silk sari with embroidery work. All over body we got chikankari work, we got with threads, lovely work. And here comes the border, self color border with paisleys and floral zal embroidery work, and in the edge you can see this beautiful beads work. And this is the pallu, same like sari with border, embroidery pallu, and blouse. Blouse, we got a self plain blouse with this beautiful bead work, piping, border. Let me showcase cost details. Sari code BJ381, actual price 2000, offer price is 1400 only. So we got few more beautiful colors in this. Let me showcase. This is matka silk sari with embroidery work. So one more lovely color, very beautiful mustard yellow color, matka silk sari with embroidery work. All over body we got embroidered florals, and border, I love this border, beautiful design with embroidery work and also beads work in this edge. Pallu, same like sari with border with embroidery work. And blouse design, it's very simple to carry, self plain blouse along with this beads piping work. Let me showcase cost details. Sari code BJ382, actual price 2000, offer price 1400 only. So we're done with this matka silk sari with embroidery work. Let me showcase another collection. So it's today we have a mix of collections. Till now we have showcased you embroidery sari and also this matka silk sari, and previously we have seen a different collection. So now this is pure organza sari with chikankari work. Very beautiful and present color, sea green and peach color combination. All over body we got chikankari work. And here comes border, zari khadi border. And that's the pallu with huge embroidery florals and also zari on pallu. And let's check out the blouse. Wow, this is so beautiful. Contrast with zari checks. We got a sea green and very light peach color combination for this organza sari with embroidery work. So on overall collections we got embroidery work. Here comes the sari code BF488, actual price 4500 and offer price is 3150 only. So let me showcase another collection today. So we are showcasing all mix of fancy saris with embroidery work. And here comes, this is Kanchi Kora sari. This is budget friendly Kanchi Kora sari. All over body we got this yellow and teal blue color combination sari. We got zari leaf buttas. And this is the border contrast, half with floral zal and half with zari khadi. And that's the beautiful contrast rich woven zari pallu with florals. This is the blouse. Contrast zari woven blouse. Beautiful combination, yellow and teal blue color. Let me showcase cost details. Sari code AQ985, actual price 2800, offer price is 1960 only. So this is budget friendly Kanchi Kora sari. So let me showcase another collection. Wow, very beautiful light pink sari. This is tissue kota sari. All over body we got embroidery florals and border, silver zari border, tissue border. And here comes the pallu, contrast rich zari woven pallu and also pretty finishing with tassels. And let's check out the blouse. The sari blouse is very beautiful. Tissue blouse, self color blouse, all over zari lines. Let me showcase cost details of the sari. Saree code BJ241, actual price 2900, offer price is 2030 only. So to purchase, just take a screenshot and share us on the number. And we got few more colors in this collection, that is tissue kota saree. Before showing that, how to follow us on our digital platforms, have a look at this video. I'll be back soon.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Welcome back pretty ladies. Here I am with one more color in tissue kota saree. Lovely lemon yellow color saree. All over body we got beautiful embroidery floral zal. Border, it's a self color tissue border with silver zari, and that's the pallu with zari woven and also cute finishing with tassels. And let's check out the blouse. Here comes the blouse. Self color blouse, tissue blouse with silver zari stripes. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code BJ243, actual price 2900, offer price is 2030 only. So that is so reasonable price ladies, hurry up. We are showcasing all mixed fancy work sarees. So grab your favorite saree. Today we have 30% of discount as well. Wow, one more pleasant color in this. Light sky blue color. Body with floral zal, embroidery work. And thus the border, silver zari tissue border. And we also got this thread work here. And pallu, contrast, zari, woven pallu. And also pretty finishing with tassels. And this is the tissue blouse we got for the saree with zari lines and also border. Let me showcase cost details of this lovely saree. Saree code BJ233, actual price 2900 and offer price is 2030 only. So we got few more colors in this. Let me showcase. So till now we have seen this fancy work saree and also organza, pure organza saree and also tissue kota saree, and here comes one more color in this. Lovely yellow color saree. All over body we got embroidery floral zal, and thus the border, little contrast with tissue and also silver zari, and pallu here, silver zari woven pallu and cute finishing with tassels. And this is the blouse, tissue blouse with silver zari stripes. Let me showcase cost details of the saree. Saree code BJ234, actual price 2900, offer price 2030 only. So to purchase this lovely saree, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. Or else you can also shop from our description. We will be providing all the saree codes in the description. Just click on your favorite saree code. It will direct to our website. From there you can shop very easily. Let me showcase another lovely color in this. Light pink color tissue kota saree. All over body we got embroidery floral zal that is so royal looking, and this is the border, tissue silver zari border, pallu, contrast zari woven pallu and also nice finishing with tassels. And here comes the blouse, tissue blouse with silver zari lines along with the border. Let me showcase cost details of the saree. Saree code BJ238, actual price 2900, offer price 2030 only. So we got a lot of colors in this. Let me showcase one by one. Very light sea green color, tissue kota saree with embroidery work. Olive green color we can say, all over body with floral zal. And that's the self color tissue border. Pallu is also with zari woven, silver zari woven and also nice finishing with tassels. And here comes the blouse. Tissue blouse with silver zari lines along with the border. Let me showcase cost details of the saree. Saree code BJ236, actual price 2900 and offer price is 2030 only. So we are done with this tissue kota work saree. Let me showcase another collection. So today we are showcasing all mixed fancy work sarees. So till now we have seen this Georgette embroidery work saree and also pure organza sari and zari kota sari, and now we have seen tissue kota sari. And am I waiting? What kind of collection is this? This is also pure organza sari with chikankari work. Light orange color and also green color combination. All over body chikankari work with paisley's design, looking so heavy and royal. And here comes, you can see the beautiful cut border. Nice thread work. And pallu is same like sari, and in the edge you can see this zari woven and also nice cut work border. And let's check out the blouse. Blouse is completely contrast with zari woven all over. Let me showcase cost details. Sari code BF487, actual price 4,500, offer price is 3,150 only. So this is also a heavy looking, very beautiful party wearing sari. Let me showcase another color in this. Pure organza sari we are showcasing, and it's a light green color sari with chikankari work. All over body with chikankari work with paisleys and florals work. And here you can see the beautiful cut work for the border, very cute and pretty tiny border. And pallu it's same like sari, in the edge you can see this beautiful zari woven. And this is the blouse. Contrast blouse all over silver zari woven. Let me showcase cost details of the sari. Sari code BF485, actual price 4,500, offer price is 3,150 only. So I'm pretty sure this collection, it's gonna feast to your eyes because we got a lot of different collections. It's not a single collection in today's live show. We are showcasing all mixed work sarees. Work sarees are always our favorite, right? So all the sarees are very lightweight with a beautiful discount available, that is 30%. So purchase your favorite saree, ladies, of your favorite color. Just take a screenshot along with the saree code and share us on the number 9852985299. And my dear beautifuls, while purchasing, if you are facing any issues, you can drop a message on our WhatsApp number 9852985299 so that our customer support team will get back to you and assist you to resolve all your queries. Let's see next saree. Wow, very lovely light orange pure organza sari with chikankari work. All over body we got chikankari work with paisleys and lovely peach and orange color shade mix sari. And this is the border, contrast border, zari woven border, tissue like border, and pallu, contrast zari woven pallu. And let's check out the blouse. It's a self plain blouse, tissue blouse along with the border. Let me showcase cost details. Sari code BF482, actual price 4,500 and offer price is 3,150 only. So coming up, it's like a tissue sari with meenakari booties. Let me showcase. We got a lovely combination, dark pink and parrot green color combination. This is organza threadwork sari. All over body we got beautiful threadwork florals. And this is the border, kanchi like border, contrast one with florals all. And pallu, it's a contrast zari woven tissue pallu. And here comes the blouse, contrast blouse with zari coin buttos along with this border. Let me showcase cost details of the sari. And this sari is very lightweight. You can prefer the saris when you are going to parties, when you are going to temples, and when you are doing puja programs at home as well. This is the sari code BI597, actual price 3,200, offer price 2,240 only. So we have 30% of discount available on today's all mixed fancy work saris. Don't miss this lovely offer from Kalamandir ladies. Choose your favorite sari. This offer is valid for 24 hours only, and that too applicable to all men wears only. Let me show you another color in this. Organza threadwork sari with a beautiful border. Light green and pink color combination sari. All over body we got florals, embroidery work, and here comes the border, contrast big border with zari woven all over, florals. Pallu is also contrast tissue zari woven pallu. And this lovely sari paired up with a contrast blouse with zari coin buttas along with the border. Let me showcase cost details. Sari code BI593, actual price 3200, offer price 2240 only. So let's move on to the next sari. So in this Arganza threadwork sari also we got few more colors with beautiful combinations. Let me show you. It's very lovely light orange and pink color combination sari. All over body we got beautiful thread work, paisleys and florals combination, and thus the border contrast very big border with zari woven all over, florals and also khadi, also brocade design. And here comes the pallu, contrast tissue zari woven pallu. And let me showcase the blouse. Contrast blouse with coin buttas along with the border. Let me showcase cost details. Such a nice organza sari. And sari code BI601, actual price 3200, offer price 2240 only. So we got few more colors in this. Let me show you. Stay tuned, ladies. We got a lovely combinations in this. And for more collections, you can also visit our stores which are located in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. Let's move on to the next sari. Here comes one more lovely combination, that is steel blue and lemon yellow combination. All over body we got lovely thread work, pure organza thread work sari this is, and contrast lovely border with diamond brocade here, florals all here and diamond brocade with mini diamonds here. And pallu, that's the pallu, tissue pallu, very simple to carry. And let's check out blouse design. Blouse, it's a contrast one with coin zari buttas along with the border. Let me showcase cost. Sari code BI599, actual price 3200, offer price is 2240 only. So prices are also very reasonable. So we got one more color left in this collection, that is organza sari, pure organza sari with thread work. Let me showcase. Very nice parrot green and pink color combination sari. All over the body we got this thread work, and here comes the border, contrast zari woven border, half with brocade, half with floral and half with this another brocade design, medium border. And thus the pallu, contrast tissue zari woven pallu, and blouse pattern is same, contrast with coin zari buttas along with this big border. You can customize this in your own style. Let me showcase cost details of the sari. Sari code BI600, actual price 3200, offer price is 2240 only. Moving on to the next sari. So we are done with this organza sari with thread work. Let me showcase another lovely collection. So this is tissue kota sari in a pleasant color combination, that is a very light blue combination. All over body we got thread work, curvy lines, floral curvy lines. In that the sparrows are beautifully aligned with multicolored thread work. Such a nice combination. And border, silver zari woven tissue border. Here comes the pallu, silver zari woven tissue pallu, and nice finishing with this beautiful tassels. And let's check out the blouse, contrast tissue blouse with border. Let me showcase cost details of the sari. Sari code BJ231, actual price 2900, offer price 2030 only. So to purchase this lovely sari, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. For more collections, you can also follow us on our digital platforms. Our Instagram ID is Kalamandir Fashions. For Facebook, it is Kalamandir, and Instagram Kalamandir. Please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, you will be getting set top of our new arrivals regularly. Let's move on to the next sari. So this is also tissue kota sari with another lovely color shade, that is light yellow color. Body with this floral curvy lines with nice thread weaving, and with multicolor thread weaving sparrows beautifully aligned in that. And this is the border, tissue border with diamond brocade and also cute leaves zal running here. And that's the pallu, tissue zari woven pallu, nicely aligned and also pretty finishing with tassels. And let me showcase the blouse. It's a self-color tissue blouse along with the border. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code BJ229, actual price 2,900, offer price 2,030 only. So, and my dear pretty ladies, do you know how to follow us on our digital platforms? Have a look at this nice video. I'll be back soon.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Welcome back beautifuls. Here I am with peach color tissue kota sari. All over body pattern is same with floral curvy lines in that sparrows aligned beautifully, and this is the self color tissue diamond brocade pallu and leaves running here beautifully. And this the pallu, tissue zari woven pallu and also nice finishing with tassels. And here comes the blouse. Tissue blouse with zari checks along with the border. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code BJ227, actual price 2,900, offer price 2,030 only. So to purchase process, it's very simple. Just take a screenshot along with the saree code and share us on the number 9852985299. Stay tuned to this live show, ladies. I'm going to showcase floral print Georgette sarees and also tissue sarees with meenakari booties as well. So here comes Georgette saree with digital floral print, cream color and also orange color combination saree. All over body we got a lovely digital floral print. Very lightweight saree. And here comes the border, patch border we got for this, orange color with this polka dots. And pallu same like saree with this patch border. And blouse, it's contrast plain with patch border. Let me showcase cost details of this lovely Georgette floral saree. Saree code AS237, actual price 1,800, offer price 1,260 only. So let me showcase few more Georgette floral sarees. Wow, the sarees are very lightweight. And here comes pink color saree. All over body, lovely floral digital print. And here comes patch border, little contrast one. Pallu, same like saree with this patch border. And here comes the blouse. Contrast blouse with patch border. You can customize this in your own style. Let me showcase few more, cost details of the saree. Saree code AW543, actual price 1,800. Offer price is 1,260 only. Wow, that's so very reasonable price, ladies. So we have few more colors, don't miss in this. Very lovely color. It's like a different shade, I can say it's a cream and pista green mix color. Beautiful floral digital print saree. All over body with peach color, dark peach color, we got floral print. That is highlighting color on the body. Here comes the patch border, little contrast one. And pallu same like saree with border. And here comes the blouse. Self plain blouse along with the patch border. Let me showcase cost details. So this saree also got a very beautiful combination. Here comes the saree code AS228, actual price 1,800, offer price is 1,260 only. So all these Georgette sarees are at 1,260. Let's check out few more Georgette sarees. Wow, lovely pink color saree. Brown and pink color combination saree. In brown also we can say this is a very different and trendy shade. All over body we got lovely floral digital print with pink color highlighting, and thus the patch border. Pallu same like saree with border. And here comes the blouse, contrast blouse. It's a dark brown color blouse, contrast blouse with this patch border. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code AW545, actual price 1800, offer price is 1260 only. So to purchase, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. So we got few more Georgette sarees. Till now we have showcased you work sarees, embroidery sarees which I have written now. Also tissue kota saree, pure organza saree with thread work, pure organza sarees with kanchi type border. And now we are showcasing Georgette sarees with patch border. And still there are no tissue sarees with Meenakari booties. That collection is also pending. So today overall we are showcasing all mixed fancy work sarees. Let me showcase another lovely saree. So we have a 30% of discount available on today's collection. Don't miss, ladies. This offer is valid for 24 hours only, and that too applicable to online viewers only. Let me showcase another lovely Georgette saree. Wow, this shade is also very different. Light orange color shade on that pink and orange color florals. Digital floral print there. And this is the patch border, very neat border. And pallu same like saree. And blouse, it's a saree color blouse. We got plain with patch border. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code AS225, actual price 1800, offer price 1260 only. So moving on to the next saree. Wow, very lightweight and beautiful Georgette saree. Here comes cream color saree, light cream color we can say, all over the body with digital florals. And that's the patch border. This patch fabric is also very different with self-imposed work. And here comes the pallu same as saree. And this the blouse, contrast blouse with patch border. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code AS227, actual price 1800, offer price 1260 only. So to purchase, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. Moving on to the next saree. For more collections, you can also follow us on our digital platforms. Our Instagram ID is Kalamandir Fashions. For Facebook, it is Kalamandir. And for YouTube, it is Kalamandir. Please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, you will be getting notified whenever we upload our new arrivals. You can also visit our website, that is www.kalamandir.com. Moving on to the next saree. How is the collection, ladies? This is so beautiful. Light peach color saree with floral digital print. And this is the patch border. We got a very plain patch border, very simple to carry. And pallu same as saree. And here comes the blouse. Self plain blouse along with the border. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code AS230, actual price 1800 and offer price is 1260 only. So we got few more Georgette sarees. Let me showcase. Wow, this is also very lovely combination. Light yellow and cream mix. We can shade exactly the shade with peach color patch border. Body with digital floral print. There's the beautiful contrast patch border. Pallu same like saree with patch border. And this is the blouse. Contrast plain with patch border. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code AS232, actual price 1800, offer price 1260 only. So all these Georgette sarees at 1260 only. So you can pick any from these Georgette floral sarees. Wow, this is also very beautiful and pretty saree. Light yellow color, lemon yellow color saree all over, digital floral print. And that's the plain patch border. Very simple. And pallu same as saree. And this saree paid with a self plain along with the border. Let me showcase cost details of the saree. Saree code AS234, actual price 1800, offer price is 1260 only. So we are done with this Georgette sarees. Let me showcase another lovely collection in this, that is tissue saree with meenakari booties. So here comes soft matka silk saree, navy blue and peach color saree. All over body we got beautiful zari florals, and here comes the border, contrast zari woven border. Pallu is also contrast with zari, and let me showcase the blouse. Contrast blouse all over zari woven along with the border. This is also looking very rich. This is matka silk saree with work. All over body we got a zari weaving. So here comes the saree code AP495, actual price 2700, offer price 1890 only. So this is also very lightweight soft matka silk saree. So we got one more lovely combination in this. Let me showcase. So here comes red and navy blue color combination, soft matka silk saree. All over body we got zari florals and also tissue woven, silver zari woven florals as well. And this is the border, contrast with zari woven, geometric like design, diamonds work. Pallu, contrast, zari brocade pallu. And here comes the blouse, contrast plain blouse along with the border. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code AP487, actual price 2700, offer price 1890 only. So moving on to the next collection. So here comes tissue saree with Meena booties. So all over body you can see lovely zari design, and with thread weaving you can see the beautiful parrots and leaf design. So border, self color border with zari woven circle florals all over the border, and also nice piping here. Pallu, zari woven rich looking pallu. This is a peach and gold mix saree, and here comes the blouse, tissue blouse along with this beautiful zari border. Let me showcase cost details. So this is the tissue saree with Meena booties. Saree code AR408, actual price 1500 and offer price is 1050. So we got few more colors in this. Let me showcase. Wow, beautiful tissue saree, very elegant, light sea green color and gold mix saree. All over body you can see lovely and ethnic motifs with thread weaving and also zari weaving combination. And border, zari woven border with floral zal and also the brocade. Pallu, contrast zari woven brocade pallu, looking so rich. And let me showcase the blouse. And blouse, it's a plain tissue blouse. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code of this saree AJ789, actual price 1500, offer price is 1050 only. Wow, price is also very reasonable. Saree is looking so elegant. If you want to purchase, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. So here comes one more tissue saree with Meena booties. Peach and gold color saree. All over body we got florals, zal and also floral curvy lines. And here comes the border, very cute and small border with floral zal, self color border. Pallu, contrast zari woven, brocade pallu. And here comes the blouse, tissue blouse, self color. Let me showcase cost details. Saree code AR411, actual price 1500, offer price 1050 only. So let me showcase few more colors in this. So we have seen this pattern in exact that. We got a lovely olive green color saree, all over body with beautiful zari woven abstract design, we can say. and border, circle florals and also coin buttas here. Pallu, contrast zari woven pallu. And here comes the tissue blouse, self color blouse, tissue one along with the border. Let's check out pricing details of the sari. Sari code AJ793, actual price 1500, offer price 1050 only. And my dear beautifuls, for more collections, you can also visit our website, that is www.kalamandir.com. Wow, very lovely mustard yellow tissue sari with Meena booties. Body, it's a floral zal, abstract work, and border with floral zal. Very simple to carry. And pallu, contrast zari woven brocade pallu. And here comes the blouse, contrast blouse. Sorry, it's a self plain blouse, tissue blouse. Very nice combination. Let me showcase cost details. Sari code AJ787, actual price 1500, offer price 1050. So all these tissue saris with Meena booties are at 1050 only. So my dear beautifuls, do you know how to follow us on our digital platforms? Have a look at this video. I'll take a short break and we'll back soon.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను మీ సునంద. మన ఇంట్లో జరిగే ప్రతి ఒకేషన్కి మన కళామందిర్లో షాపింగ్ చేయండి. చాలా బడ్జెట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ అండి. వీ హ్యావ్ అవర్ ఆన్లైన్ షాపింగ్. ఫాలో us on Instagram Kalamandir Fashions, Facebook, YouTube Kalamandir. Our stores are located at Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka. Don't miss our everyday lives.
Welcome back beautifuls. Here comes pista green tissue sari with Meena booties. All over body with beautiful abstract design with parrots and also different geometric design involved in that. Nicely aligned. Here comes the border with circle florals and also here comes huge florals and nice leaves here. Pallu, contrast zari woven pallu, and here comes the blouse. Self colored tissue blouse along with this zari border. Let me showcase cost details of the sari. Sari code AJ792, actual price 1500, offer price 1050 only. So let's move on to the next sari. Wow, very lovely and pretty. Light pink and gold color mixed sari. All over body we got abstract design. Curvy florals in that also. Multicolored thread weaving florals aligned. And borders, very small border with lovely floral zal. And pallu, contrast zari woven brocade pallu. Here comes the blouse. Very beautiful plain tissue blouse. Let me showcase cost details. So when the sari body design is heavy and this simple and plain blouses look so very good, and also it elevates total look of the sari, right? Here comes this lovely sari code AK285, actual price 1500 and offer price is 1050 only. Moving on to the next sari. Wow, very beautiful green and gold color mixed sari. Pattern is same. All over body we got abstract design, floral zal, and border is also with floral zal, self color border. Pallu, contrast with diamond brocade. This is the tissue blouse, plain one. Next, let me show you cost details. Sari code AJ790, actual price 1500, offer price is 1050 only. So moving on to the next sari. Stay tuned ladies, we have 30% of discount available on today's collection. Don't miss this lovely offer from Kalamandir. This offer is valid for 24 hours only and that too applicable to online viewers only. Wow, very lovely, very different color. Grey and gold mixed color. Looking so trendy. All over body we got Meena booties. And this is the border, medium border with half with khadi and half with this floral zal and also brocade here. Pallu contrast, diamond brocade zari woven pallu. And this is the blouse, self color blouse, tissue blouse, plain one. Let me showcase cost details of the sari. Sari code AR414, actual price 1500, offer price is 1050 only. So 3 more mannequin sarees are there. Let's have a look on these sarees as well. Wow, this is zari kota saree with thread work with a nice combination, light yellow and teal blue color saree. All over body we got a thread work and border, contrast border, very big border with zari woven all over. Pallu is also contrast with zari woven, and here comes the blouse, contrast blouse with coin buttas and also the border. To purchase this saree, code is BI592, actual price 3200, offer price is 2240 only. So to purchase, just take a screenshot and share it on the number 9852985299. So we got a beautiful collection for this mannequin as well. It's a lovely Georgette saree with patch border. All over body we got digital floral print, very nice color, maroon color. And coming to the border, we got a patch border and pallu, same like saree. And here comes the blouse. So it's a saree color blouse, plain one. You can customize this in your own style. So for blouse also we got the patch border. The saree code AW560, actual price 1800, offer price 1260 only. To purchase this saree, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852985299. Let's move on to another lovely saree. So work saree here, pista green color saree. All over body we got a nice embroidery work, cross checks with chemkis aligned in that, and border with a multicolor thread weaving, embroidery floral zal. Pallu same like saree. And here comes the blouse. Blouse, we got a back side and also front side with the embroidery work cut. Self color blouse. Here comes the saree code BA933, actual price 3050, offer price 2140 only. How is the collection, beautifuls? Very, very nice collection, right? So we have showcased all mixed fancy work sarees. So we have seen work sarees with embroidery work like this, Georgette sarees with digital floral print, tissue kota sarees with thread work, and tissue sarees with meenakari booties as well. So hope you all like today's lovely collection. We have 30% of discount available on today's collection. Don't miss. Just take a screenshot of your favorite saree and share it on the number 9852985299, or else from the description also you can shop these sarees. Just click on your favorite saree code, it will direct our website. From there you can shop very, very easily. You can also visit our stores directly, which are located in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. For more collections, you can also follow us on our digital platforms, Instagram ID Kalamandir Fashions, Facebook Kalamandir, and for YouTube it is Kalamandir. Please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, you will be getting notified whenever we upload our new arrivals. You can also visit our website, that is www.kalamandir.com. After this live show, this video will be saved on our IGTV Instagram. See you in the next live show. This is Radhika. Keep smiling. Bye-bye.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను మీ సునంద. మన ఇంట్లో జరిగే ప్రతి ఒకేషన్కి మన కళామందిర్లో షాపింగ్ చేయండి. చాలా బడ్జెట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ అండి. వీ హ్యావ్ అవర్ ఆన్లైన్ షాపింగ్. Follow us on Instagram Kalamandir Fashions, Facebook, YouTube Kalamandir. Our stores are located at Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka. Don't miss our everyday lives.